Hi, my name's Jennifer and I highly recommend John Gavin's Irish classes on Leavingcertirish.com. I attended Course A and Course B for the duration of my PME course in primary. Course A, John uses simple formulae and easy to use methods in showing you how to recognise, to use and to understand the Tishel Ginnaduct and verbs and the different conjugations. He makes Irish very accessible and fun, and he makes Irish grammar accessible and fun, and it's not just a learned off process like a lot of us would have done in school. He gives you, I suppose, the building blocks with the Tishel Ginnaduct and the verbs and the different conjugations. He gives you the building blocks to be able to just whiz through your Irish exam, your written exam, and to get good marks. He also gives you the time and the support you need to learn as well, and to be able to be confident in speaking the language. And also in Course B, he went through a lot of work on how to teach language in primary schools, and he didn't make it as daunting as sometimes it's made out by other people. What else? In Course B, John gives you options. Course B consisted of poetry and the Screwdoo Bale, and he gave us a lot of options with the poetry. And if there's anything you want to cover, he is open to adapting to what poems you want to do, and will provide you and support you in getting the good marks you need. He starts the Screwdoo Bale preparation, or the oral Irish exam preparation months in advance, so that by the time the exam comes around, you are very confident to sit down and have an Irish discussion. You're very confident in your own ability, and I suppose he's a very approachable teacher. He's ready to support you and provide you with what you need to not only pass, but get good marks, but also to learn the Irish language. And he gives you the confidence to teach the Irish language too. Okay, thanks.